With the recent ban on Binance P2P service for Nigerians, I understand that a lot of investors are looking for suitable alternatives for this service. It's quite troubling, it's quite frustrating for you as an investor, but do not worry. In this video, I am going to bring to you suitable alternatives for Binance P2P service for Nigerians. So do not worry, I'll bring to you those platforms that you can gladly access the P2P service as an investor. So do not worry. So stick around as I bring to you these amazing options and alternatives you can use apart from Binance service. There are a lot of platforms that you can use to explore the P2P services apart from Binance. So do not worry. In this platform I'm going to show you, you will have access to buying and selling of your cryptocurrencies without any stress. No stress at all. With Swift, you can have access to the P2P features and sell your cryptocurrency, buy your cryptocurrency, whatever you want to do on that platform. It gives you the same features as Binance. So if you had the Binance account and you heard of the big news and then you went ahead to check and realize that you can't use the P2P service, do not worry. That's why I have this video here for you. So I can give you those platforms that you can go access the P2P services and run your transactions with Swift. So you don't worry, you don't have to worry yourself about the platform to use to access this service. I have a lot. I have KuCoin, I have local bitcoins, I have Bybit, I have Luno, and lots more. But today in this video I'm going to show you the features we have on Bybit. Bybit, I'll take you to the platform, show you how to use the P2P service, how it works and all that, the platform itself, and then you would make a comparison with the Binance services and see if this cannot substitute, if this cannot replace that Binance. So go ahead and watch and see. Watch and see if this is going to replace the Binance services you're missing, because it's a lot. We have a lot of features to explore on we have a lot of features to explore on Bybit. Go ahead, download the app, and then check the features they have available for you. If you like it, if you love it, go ahead, download the app, and then check the features they have available for you. If you like it, if you love it, go ahead and use it. We have other platforms like Luno, as I mentioned earlier. We have other platform, local bitcoins and KuCoin. So check out this Bybit app. Okay, now this is the Bybit app. We are there live on the app, and I'm going to show you how to use this service. First of all, you have all this listed. So click on more and it will take you to buy crypto. You see thread, you see other things listed. So under buy crypto, you will see the P2P trading option, which is the third one listing. We have N, we have SportX, we have finance, we have events, and lots more. So click on the third P2P trading platform and it will take you down to where you have the option, the currency option. So you will see your currency, as you can see NGN, that's the Nigerian currency Naira. So here is it. With this, you can access any whatever you want to do. You want to buy cryptocurrency? Do you want to sell cryptocurrency? On this Bybit app, it's great. So here is it. I selected NG, and that's the Nigerian currency Naira. So great, you have here. So that is all you need to do to get your access to P2P service on Bybit. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do well to subscribe to this amazing channel. Keep your notification button on. Like and share my video for beautiful videos like this.